breaking news coming in. Another statement on Pulwama and surgical strike by a big Congress neta. We're talking about the Chief Minister of Telangana, Revanth Reddy, who has said that the government failed in Pulwama and has also questioned the air strike, the surgical strike by our forces. We'll try and play out that reaction, but not the first time. First, it was Charanjit Singh Channi. Then you heard the Congress Punjab President Amrinder Singh Vading. And now it is the Chief Minister of Telangana who's questioning the government on Pulwama. He also is casting aspersion on the surgical strike.
Pulwama incident is a classic example. They have failed. IB क्या कर रहा है? इंटेलिजेंस नेटवर्क क्या कर रहा है? पुलवामा इंसिडेंट होने के बाद सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक में पॉलिटिकल बेनिफिट लेने के लिए मोदी जी कोशिश कर रहा है। मेरा सवाल यह है कि मोदी जी को, भाई आप क्या कर रहा है? पुलवामा इंसिडेंट क्यों हुआ है? क्यों होने दिए? देश की सुरक्षा आप क्या कर रहा है? क्यों आईबी रा ये एजेंसीज को क्यों इस्तेमाल नहीं किए आप? तो वहां पर आपका फेल्यूर है ना। उसके बाद आप किए नहीं किए भगवान जाने। सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक हुआ नहीं हुआ किसी को पता भी नहीं आज तक।
Somit is joining us with more details. Somit, after Channi and Mr. Vading, now it's the Chief Minister of Telangana, another big leader of the Congress, questioning the surgical strike. He also says that the Prime Minister and the BJP tried taking political advantage after the attack. The Chief Minister questions IB और बाकी एजेंसीज क्या कर रही थी?
Well, exactly. That is what Chief Minister said initially. Channi recently, Channi, and it's not been a long time when Channi has questioned it. He has questioned the security forces, and also he has stated the attack as an drama. And now Revanth Reddy, big face from the Congress party, has come out openly, and while answering to one question, he said that BJP does everything, Jai Shri Ram, and at the same time he said that how did that Pulwama incident happen, and why didn't what did IB do, and why didn't Prime Minister Modi use IB or Intelligence Bureau or Research and Analysis Wing departments, and what did they do? And till now no one knows that whether the surgical strike has happened or not, and but Prime Minister Modi has tried to take benefit out of the surgical strike, is what Revanth Reddy has stated. So he directly questioned the incident of surgical strike, whether it happened or not happened, is what Revanth Reddy has clearly stated. But the political advantage has been taken, is what the point has been made by Chief Minister Revanth Reddy.